Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I come back with a glowy and dewy finished makeup. So you can see I'm applying now moisturizer cream. So you can see when you apply the moisturizer cream, it will be like gel base. If you use in summertime, if you have oily skin, that time I have dry skin, that's why I'm using creamy moisturizer, but it quantity because of that my skin has been very dry. So if you have dry skin, so you can apply the moisturizer creamy base. Now I am concealing my face, I am correcting, because of that I have much more and many dark circle, but you can see also. So I'm correcting them. Now I don't have option anything like when I'm applying the correction, I don't have like you same don't have most beauty blender. That time you can see and you do the apply with hand. Each hand will be very like natural finish, and it is very important. It is, so you can see I'm applying with hand. Do you know when you apply with hand, it is very good. Because of that we have natural tips. We And you can see also big many famous makeup artists also doing with hand like creamy base, and it is not spread easily. So they are doing like spread with hand. So you can see also when you don't have any beauty blender, you don't want to purchase and you go anywhere, so you can also doing with hand. But one thing is, always remember, don't drag with hand, only dapping. When you apply when you doing something like dap, don't drag, don't dragging, okay? Otherwise your skin is redness, get redness and pimples, like any wrinkles. So please attention here, don't dragging. Now I'm applying the highlighting. I'm not doing much more foundation. I'm using little bit quantity. Because of that I'm not want to fair, and I don't want to much more layers on my skin. So I'm using with hand also. If you like as a beginner, you can do same things, but you don't want to do anything. So because of that, so please one thing is always remember. So I'm asking one question, give me answer in comment box. What is difference of contour and highlighting? Why we have to need to contour our face, and which one face we need for contouring, and which one face had to need highlighting, or why we do highlight our face? So please comment and tell me if you have give me a correct answer. That's why I give you something special for you. So give answer, hurry up and quickly. Now I have finished. So when we apply with hand foundation, don't drag please. It's only dab dab dab. When you do with finger, if you drag your skin for it will very itching, and maybe you get pimples, anything else. So you can use when you apply with hand, it will take more time. So if you use beauty blender, it is very easy and very quick, fast. If you can see also. So I'm applying with hand, it is take much more time. Now I'm contouring here, so you can see, and you can see the difference of after contouring my face. Okay, I want to one more question again. What is my face shape? So tell me in comment box. Okay, now I'm contouring here. You can see difference of before contour and after contour my face. And please tell me what you learned with from my video. And I give you maybe 3 and 4 video I have uploaded already. So now you can see. So please tell me what is learned from my video. If you learn something new from my video, so please comment. If you don't learn from my video, so then after that you can comment also. And if you like my video, so please like here. If you enjoy my full video, so please like, and tell me what is important for you, and what do you want from my video to learn. So I in my mind something I think, and I talk here. I don't I don't think which sentence is wrong, which sentence is right. I don't think. I know I am doing much more mistakes, so please don't judge me any one person. So because of that, every person has some like challenge in their life. I have also. So I want to learn something new from my journey. And I want to speak English perfectly, but I don't do like this. So now I think in my mind, I say what can I do. So I'm talking with you from with like English speaking. I'm talking totally English. And after see think after that I think I know about my mistakes, many mistakes. No one person comment here. So I think like I'm going to write, because I know before earlier, like no one person see my video, no one person watch full and till end, and no one person judge me. So that's why I don't have any problem. I don't have shame and anything, so you can say. I don't have hesitation. Because of that, no one person see my video, so I get more confidence to speak front of you. And like I have uploaded 3 and 4 video, like I give you some things, I learn you something new every in each of video and every video. I learn something new. I try to understand what do you want to take with me. So I'm see my video, there are 5 and 4 views, and sometimes is 150k and 250k, sometimes I will get. So I have wait that person who come my video, who come to watch full my video and judge me and viral my video. Oh my god, that's like I see something in blogging, some people talk in wrong way, wrong things, and that's why they got viral. Because of that, they talk uh, wrong words. So that is the main motivation for me. Sometime that time will come soon. That time I will got viral, and my videos and my work, if you like more, much more, that time I'm viral, and I got much views. And oh my god, I think something that time which when come in my life. You can see I'm applying the powder and anything. I'm applying powder also, and blush, all things I'm doing. So if you want to learn, so you see the video and learn more things. After applying powder, you can see change my look. Oh my god, it is very flawless and wow, very nice. I am dancing because I like my makeup. I love so much my makeup. It is very finished, very like very matte finish. Do you know guys, I love matte finish and matte lipstick. I love it. But sometimes it is do like glossy because of you. You don't know, you don't like maybe glossy sorry, matte look. So I watch till end and learn more things, how to apply the powder, setting powder and loose powder and compact powder. So if you want to know about difference all powder, so please comment here. And now you can see my look, it is obsessed, I'm obsessed with it. So now it is your turn. Please comment and tell me how you liked this look and what you learned from it. So please do let me know soon in the comments how's my English, and are there any mistakes. Please do tell me what you learned like today. Today I even taught you how to brush. I have given you a full tutorial, so you can tell me what you learned from my tutorials. I have uploaded so many videos, so what do you learn from them and what motivation do you get, and what must tell me in the comments. I am showing you so much with my broken English, and I am also getting some educational from my guys. I don't do what to say. What will you think my student admit, and I don't know English, but I ignore it all. And I think that if I want to move forward, I have to face all things, all this. So how long will I play, how long will I be willing, how long will I not speak English in front of anyone, and I don't have a partner with whom I can speak English. No one support me, so you guys are my support. Only you guys can support me, please. And I don't have anyone who can teach me English and help me move forward. So please comment on what mistakes you find, and what you learn from my video, and what topic you want me to make voice videos on that you did like. And my video is here right now. Please do leave me a review on this, please. And I want to you tell me in the comment what topic I should make video on, it not makeup, etc. If you found this video helpful, please comment and subscribe. I also have an Instagram ID on my channel, so please follow that, and don't forget to comment on what you liked. Thank you so much and love you all. So I am highlighting here highlight point. Because of that, I have eye space much more and don't want to showing very much fuller eyes. So now you can see my base, it is very nice and obsessed with. I am obsessed. And now it is turn off the lower lashes makeup. So now you can more people have hesitation how to do in lower lashes makeup, and how to blend it. You can see it is very easily to blend, and more people thinks it is difficult for doing lower lid makeup. Sorry, I says lower lash, not I am lower lash doing. It is a lower lid makeup. So for beginner it is very difficult, and if you do practice every time, it is will be very helpful, and it is very easy for you. And so now I am doing like same things, and you can see one comment I get earlier that ma'am please slow speed. That's why I am doing slow speed for makeup, so you can learn easily and one by one. So if you don't want to listen to me and want only watch video full, so you mute your side and watch full video. Because of that I'm here. I know if you understand very well English, so you have confused and you laugh at me what she talk about in that video. So in this video, sorry. So now I'm applying here highlighter on it. Eyelid, like highlighter you can see shimmer. I'm applying the shimmer shadow because I don't want much more heavy. My eyes never to get much more. If I do heavy eye makeup, so it is very dramatic on me and not it is don't suit at my eyes. So here I'm doing very light and natural look always. And it is very slow. Because of that I feel very, I don't have words what want to talk to you, but I try to get more words and speak totally in my words. I don't here I don't apply like any music, and I'm doing only myself. And now I'm using mascara. You can see it is my best part. How to apply it is you see, first of all you take and clean your brush. After that you can apply here. So you can see I'm doing, but it is very difficult everyone. So now you can see here I have a humble request. Please watch the video and learn more things from it. Many students I see, many people learn from videos and make makeup artist. It is very easy and it is very suitable for you, and it is benefit for you. You can learn more many things from videos, and you don't do any classes, online classes, offline classes. You learn from YouTube, Instagram. It is very learning platform. It is very easy to learn and many more things. So you can learn easily. So now you can see here I'm applying the mascara, and now earlier I already talked about my mascara. So if you are a beginner, so first of all you take the brush and clean it, and after it applying, and I'm applying here. You can see also. So if I do any mistake in my English, so forget me, and please suggest me how to do anything, how to do more like very easy things that I speak English properly. And you can see I'm applying the lower lash mascara already, and you also see that when I applying easily. So you after mascara you can see the result of my eyes. First when I applying the mascara, now you can see. And if you do like my video, so you can say and like much more like. And what I talk, if you want to know about the company of mascara, you can, and brand name, so you comment here and I give you brand name in, and I provide you link. So you can see now I have much more things about that makeup, but if you will comment here, so I give you suggest. And I want to ask something again. So I have a question for you. When you applying mascara, after what do you get difference? Okay, if you know about this, so then comment here. And now you can see I'm applying the lip gloss. It is very amazing, and I love it, my lipstick. So now you can see my flawless base. Now I'm applying the highlighter here. So yeah, you take fan brush and highlighter brush and applying like same me, and it is game changing, guys. It is game changing, and your makeup is very highlighted and pigmented. You can see, wow, very nice full finish makeup, and it very dewy and very nice. Now it is final look. And comment here what do you think, what do you learn from it, and tell me guys how many mistake doing in my video. English mistake, how many mistake do it. So please comment here, and please suggest me what I have to do improve my from my English. So if you want to give me suggestion anything, you if you want, so you can do it here and comment here. And please comment what do you learn from it and what it is like. So bye everyone, and take care, please. Bye bye.